Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn on dark theme on Snapchat application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Snapchat app on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on your profile on the top left corner, and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Snapchat account. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way, and right here in the bottom of this section you'll be able to find an option of app appearance. You'll have to tap on it and you'll be able to find three options. The first one is match system, the second one is light, and the third one is dark. Now I will recommend you to turn on match system, because whenever you will turn on dark theme on your system, it will be automatically turned on your Snapchat, and whenever you will turn it off, it will always turned off automatically on Snapchat. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions